Ayan na, dumikit na, but still uses the inside or the outside line. While Mitch Rivera is still battling out with Bordoc Pacosong. Bordoc Pacosong now feeling the pressure from Joel Evans of Australia. Evans using the inside. Oh!
Ginawa yung dalawa. Wait, and now still, Mitch Rivera got the house siya. Nasa unahan pa rin. And then Bordoc Pacosong goes to the inside. Sorry po, medyo medyo grabe ang intense ang battle dito ngayon. So now Joel Evans on the second place and Mitch Rivera still on the first place.
Ayan na, sumasabay na po mga kaibigan sa tabletop si Joel Evans. Ito na. Evans launches the inside. Mitch Rivera on the outside. Oh! But
Grabe.
still, it's Mitch Rivera on the first spot. Oh, it's Evans doing the inside. Whoa! Clearing the double.
Clearing
It's now Joel Evans
Yes,
on the first spot.
Grabe. Na-clear ni Joel Evans yung 7 commandments natin kaya medyo nag-advantage siya doon.